We are here to celebrate Penny. Penny, will you take Victor to be your husband?
I do.
Blah, 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 and blah, blah, blah. Victor may kiss your bride. I'm going to check on Herney.
Let's make Matthew kiss
Let's
Timmy
do
now.
it. Oh, Matthew, please come here for a second.
What is it, Tanya?